सो माई फादर ही हैड टोल्ड मी कि तुम पॉलिटिशियन बन जाओ, तो तुम्हारी फोटो शायद आ जाएगी. Being a civil servant is not just about an exam, sir. It's about your personality. PYQs are the holy grail here. You will be able to identify themes from PYQs कि आपको कहाँ focus करना है, कहाँ नहीं. In mocks, they usually tell you to give a very balanced feedback about everything. कि आप कुछ भी बोलो, आपको बिल्कुल बैलेंस लेके बोलना है, आपको एक साइड नहीं लेनी है. Sir, but honestly, sir, I'll tell you, I've taken side on every question they asked me in my interview, sir. And I think maybe that works also.
So, hello and welcome everyone to upscprep.com. Today we have with us Ayushi Thakur. Ayushi has secured a rank of 325 this year in Civil Services exam. So, congratulations, Ayushi. How are you doing?
Thank you so much, sir. I'm fine. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good too. So, Ayushi, I think give us a brief about your background कि आपने अभी जैसे हम बात कर ही रहे थे that you come from हिमाचल, तो स्कूलिंग आपकी कहाँ से हुई, यूपीएससी जर्नी आपकी कैसे शुरू हुई, just tell us about it.
Sir, I come from Junga, which is a very small tehsil in Shimla district of Himachal Pradesh. And it's a very small village, sir. And I did my primary schooling from Junga itself. That is till 5th grade. I was in a very small private school in Junga, which was affiliated to Himachal Board, Himachal Pradesh Board only. And after that, I shifted to Shimla, the main city, and I've done my schooling from Auckland House School, and it was affiliated to ICSC and ISC Board till 12th grade. After that, sir, I have done my graduation from Miranda House, University of Delhi. And my main two subjects were political science and history. And after that, sir, I have also done a diploma in women empowerment and development from IGNOU.
So, which year did you graduate from Delhi University?
Sir, in 2020.
Okay, the COVID year.
Yes, sir, the COVID year.
तो 6 महीना आपका भी फाइनल डिले ही हुआ होगा.
Yes, sir. 6 महीना तो literally we didn't even get a farewell. We were at home, and it was that time, sir, when we didn't really know what is COVID. Everybody was expecting कि colleges
पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा, क्या होगा.
So that was the time. And sir, as far as my UPSC dream is concerned, sir, I think it was always a dream. Sir, I've cherished the dream ever since I was very young. And there is a small story behind it, sir, if I can share, if you want me to. So this story was also asked to me in my actual interview. And so I will tell you exactly what I told the board, sir. Sir, when I was very young, sir, I have been very inspired by Mahatma Gandhi ji. And I remember, sir, I was walking with my father and I showed him the currency note. And I told him कि इस पे गांधी जी की फोटो क्यों है, कि क्या है उन्होंने ऐसा किया कि उनकी फोटो है. Then he told me कि what a great person he was, how much he contributed to the society and all of that. And I told him कि पापा मैं अपनी फोटो लाना चाहती हूँ इस करेंसी नोट पे. What can I do? What can I do कि I replace the photo? So my father, he had told me कि तुम politician बन जाओ, तो तुम्हारी फोटो शायद आ जाएगी. तो मैंने उन्हें कहा कि नहीं, मुझे पॉलिटिशियन तो नहीं बनना है, मुझे पर्दे के पीछे से रह के काम करना है, तो मैं क्या ऐसा कर सकती हूँ. तो उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि तुम डीसी बन जाओ. एंड सर, उस टाइम मुझे नहीं पता था व्हाट इट इंटेल्ड एंड दैट आई हैड टू गिव एन एग्जाम फॉर द सेम, बट आई जस्ट न्यू दैट आई वांटेड टू बिकम दिस पर्सन, दिस डीसी. एंड दैट इज like my long held dream, sir, and that is how I was geared into this preparation.
I think that's a very sort of बचपन में हम ऐसी बात करते हैं कि भाई मतलब मेरे को भी इधर नोट पे आना है, क्या करे. एंड आई थिंक मतलब आई रियली अप्रिशिएट योर फादर फॉर लाइक हिज एब्सोल्यूट ऑनेस्टी कि भाई पॉलिटिशियन बन जाओ. एंड लाइक सॉर्ट ऑफ मतलब यू आल्सो हैड दैट क्लैरिटी कि नहीं मतलब इतना पब्लिक इतना वहां तो नहीं जाना, बट आई वुड रियली स्टिल वांट टू कंट्रीब्यूट. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स अ ग्रेट वे टू लुक एट इट. एंड पर्टिकुलरली जो आप उसके बाद वाली बात बोल रहे हो कि भाई डीसी, तो जैसे आई कम फ्रॉम हरियाणा, तो हरियाणा में तो मतलब ऐसा होता है कि इट्स अ रिटॉर्ट कि भाई मतलब तुम अगर ज्यादा ज्ञान देने लगते हो तो इट्स अ रिटॉर्ट कि भाई तू डीसी लाग रहे हो है.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
भाई मतलब डीसी की इतनी अथॉरिटी है इन दैट कल्चरल कॉन्टेक्स्ट कि भाई मतलब डीसी बन जाते हो तो फिर तो मतलब अलग ही चीज हो जाती है. तो आई कंप्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड वेयर यू कमिंग फ्रॉम इन दिस. सो आयुषी, ऑब्वियसली ये तो आपका एक वो कोर कल्चरल मतलब आपका बचपन से रहा है, But I think Miranda House has also been a very, has a strong alumni network within the civil services, right? A lot of your seniors, a lot of your, I'm sure, batchmates have also gotten into service. So was that ever a factor which also sort of pushed you and motivated you to do something in this regard?
Sir, honestly, I would say I was ignorant. मुझे इतना पता नहीं था about the network which I could harness to get to the
Mhm.
place where I wanted to be. So, sir, I think this is a journey which I sort of carved on my own only because of
Absolutely awesome.
I would say. And but sir, being in Miranda definitely helped me as a person, sir. I think I have
Hmm.
witnessed immense growth when I was in the college, sir. I think they were like the years when I was growing really well.
Hmm.
And sir, even apart from the personality development which helped me, sir, I think even the course which I had taken, sir, I was a part of the BA program course, sir,
Hmm.
and it aligns very closely to the UPSC preparation, sir.
Hmm.
And also, sir, you have a lot of people within the classroom and outside also who want to pursue this dream.
Hmm.
So, you're in that together, and then you have the peer, and there is a very beautiful cooperation and competition which
Hmm.
goes on, sir. And particularly, sir, in these all girls or all women colleges, there is a sense of sisterhood
Hmm.
where people are always just, pushing you to grow, to be better. So
Yeah.
that certainly did contribute to my journey in that way, sir.
Right. So I think that's a really apt way to put it because a lot of people sometimes nowadays ask कि मैं कोई भी एक बीए कोर्स कर लेता हूँ तो क्योंकि करना तो मुझे यूपीएससी ही है. I generally tend to advise them that, try and get into a good college because maybe even if it is not directly contributing to your UPSC journey, it will be very helpful because of the sort of, other benefits that you'll get coming from that sort of a college, which you said कि वो जो unstated push रहता है पीछे से आपके दोस्तों का कि करो, कर लोगे. And then not just that, it's the sort of कि भाई help and support that they give you when you are trying to grow. So like what do you say to that कि मतलब is this really useful, not useful, क्या रहता है इसका?
So, in my opinion, it is very useful, sir. I think being a civil servant is not just about an exam, sir. It's
Hmm.
about your personality. And आपकी जो वो personality होती है, sir, it gets chiseled in a very beautiful environment, which your college provides you sometimes. So, sir, I think definitely, sir, I think it is a thing that in these colleges there is growth. But, sir,
Hmm.
that is not to say that people who are in other parts of the country or in other colleges they cannot witness the same because growth is a very personal thing, right? And it does not essentially mean कि आप एक कॉलेज के एनवायरनमेंट में हो तभी आप वो ग्रोथ को जो है ले पाओगे सर यू कैन ग्रो इवन इफ यू आर सिटिंग इन the farmost corners of the country. That depends on you how you
Hmm.
want. So that is one thing I would like to say.
Absolutely agree with you. क्योंकि even in these colleges, even the best college in the country, लोग आके जैसे आते हैं वैसे के वैसे ही निकल जाते हैं. They don't experience any growth. And there are people who have never experienced these sorts of things, but अंदर से जब वो drive रहता है कि नहीं, I have to do something with my life, I want to grow, I want to change. And those are the people that then, outshine everybody else.
True, sir. True,
क्योंकि
definitely.
मतलब ये तो वही है, दैट्स ऑलवेज मतलब दिस ऑल्सो ब्रिंग्स बैक टू द नेचर वर्सेस नर्चर डिबेट, राइट? कि कुछ लोगों का इनेट वो एक फायर होता है जिसको तुम कहीं डाल दो, कहीं छोड़ दो, इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ दैट फैक्ट दे विल बर्न एंड कम अप एंड यू विल नोटिस देम. तो आयुषी, आई थिंक यू हैव ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द हाइएस्ट मार्क्स इन द इंटरव्यू दिस ईयर. So, like, just give us a brief about, we'll talk about the prelims and the mains and all of those stages. But what I would want from you is, what do you think works in the UPSC interview? Because मतलब बहुत से लोगों को ये डाउट रहता है कि मेरी स्पोकन इंग्लिश इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, तो क्या उसका नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट होगा कि मेरे 10th 12th में अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं है क्या? तो बहुत सारे लोगों को क्या रहता है ना कि दे जंप स्ट्रेट टू द एंड and they're constantly worried about the fact कि मैं इंटरव्यू में कैसा करूंगा. Because again, part of the reason could be कि a lot of sort of mock interviews and all of these things are available on YouTube. तो वहाँ पे people are speaking in a very polished manner, बहुत ही मतलब polished candidates आते हैं जैसे उसे कि chiseled रहते हैं वो काफी हद तक. तो what is your take on what actually makes for a great interview score, or how do you give a great interview or PT?
Sir, in my limited understanding, sir, I think I would explain it in one single word, sir. That is honesty, sir. If you are an honest person, true to who you are, true to your
Hmm.
values, you will score good marks, sir. And sir, I definitely agree, sir, because of all of these mocks, you have a certain perception of the kind of people who get good marks in interviews. And sir, even initially, I would be very honest, sir, even I was bogged down by that. I saw a lot of these people, and I used to think that I don't speak like that, and how will I do in the interview? And in fact, sir, in a lot of mocks where I went, I got really bad remarks. Sometimes I really would have to go back and talk to my parents that I'm getting really bad remarks. What do
Hmm.
I do? And they told me to change certain aspects of my personality, which I can't change. I told them this is who I am, and I can't change that. There are certain things I can definitely work upon,
Hmm.
but if something is part of your core personality, sir, I don't think you can change that. So sir, I think ultimately, sir, मैंने D-Day के लिए मैंने decide किया था, and sir, I kept telling this to myself कि real judge जो है वो मेरा PT है, जो वहाँ पे वो जो लोग बैठे हैं, they are the real judge of my personality. They will tell me whether I deserve to be in the civil services or not.
Hmm.
All these mocks, they can give me opinions, but their opinions aren't as good as the real PT.
Hmm.
And if I deserve it, I will get it. If
Hmm.
I don't deserve it, I will get the score and I will know how to improve.
Yeah.
So I always thought it's a win-win process, and I always
Hmm.
thought कि वहाँ जाके मुझे real feedback मिलेगा, and I
Hmm.
should be true to myself. I should stay true to whatever I believe in, and that's what I did, sir. Jesse sir, I will give you some examples. So like in mocks, they usually tell you to give a very balanced feedback about everything. कि आप कुछ भी बोलो, आपको बिल्कुल बैलेंस लेके बोलना है, आपको एक साइड नहीं लेनी है. Sir, but honestly, sir, I'll tell you, I've taken side on every question they asked me in my interview, sir.
Hmm.
And I think maybe that works also.
So, see, there is a bit of a nuance to this take. I completely agree with you that you can take sides, right? But there has to be a sort of editorial oversight on the kind of sides that you can take. राइट तो बहुत बार क्या होता है कि लाइक यू आर सेइंग दिस बिकॉज यू हैव अ गुड सेंस ऑफ कि अच्छा मतलब दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू शुड एक्चुअली फॉलो बिकॉज यू हैव इंट्रोस्पेक्टेड एंड यू हैव लाइक थॉट अबाउट दीज थिंग्स ओवर टाइम एंड योर कोर वैल्यूज यू आर क्लियर अबाउट योर कोर वैल्यूज मतलब यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड कि कितने सारे लोगों को आई थिंक जो हमारा डैफ डिस्कशन होता है जो फर्स्ट सेशन होता है दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई से कि अपना कोर वैल्यूज एक बार देखो क्या है नहीं समझ आता लोगों को कि मतलब ये क्या बात कर रहे हैं ये क्या होती कोर वैल्यूज तो वन ऑफ द सजेशंस दैट आई टेंड टू देन गिव इज कि अगर आपको नहीं पता आपकी कोर वैल्यूज क्या है तो जस्ट टेक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल वैल्यूज एंड
exactly.
दोस कैन बी योर कोर वैल्यूज इफ यूर इन लाइन ओवर देयर गो फॉर इट आपकी अपनी कोर वैल्यूज पे डिसएग्री विद द स्टेटमेंट डिसएग्री विद द स्टैंड डिसएग्री विद द पॉलिसी बट योर कोर वैल्यू शुड बी क्लियर बहुत सारे लोग बस वो डिसएग्री करने के लिए कर जाते हैं कि नहीं नहीं मतलब नहीं सही है तो वो गलत ओपिनियन लेना है on the other hand a value based opinion if you can take I think that's a brilliant and beautiful way to like sort of put a stand so there is that nuance you have to be very clear which is I think you are one of the candidates as you said honesty is one of your core values and honesty is something that is required in the interview तो वो match बहुत ज्यादा है so I think that is also one of the reasons why you got 206 because मतलब it's rare बहुत कम लोगों को मिलते हैं इतने नंबर and I think that's one of the reasons why you jumped up quite a bit and बहुत सारी चीजें चलती रहती हैं ऐसे तो but तो आयुषी if you had to say one thing that does not work in the interview what would that be?
Sir, I would say simply, sir, bluffing.
Hmm.
That really does not work, and I think that creates a very bad impression. आपको अगर कुछ नहीं आता है, it's completely fine to say that you don't know anything. In
Hmm.
fact, अगर आपको किसी चीज की limited understanding है, आप वो भी कह सकते हो that you have a limited understanding of it. Because sir, as we know, sir, knowledge is infinite. We
Hmm.
can't know everything, and it's completely fine to say that. But sir, as aspirants, as I have seen, sir, it's very difficult for people to say that they don't know anything.
Hmm.
And they have this feeling that yes, we should know everything, but sir, I think that's one thing which completely would not work in an interview. That will create a very bad impression, sir.
Absolutely true. Completely agree with you. So moving on from this part, I think Ayushi, we also got associated during the PT phase only.
Yes, sir.
So like, what was your feedback? What is something that you would say that we can improve on?
Sir, I had a great experience, sir. And it was my first interview, like with your institute, sir. I just remember, broadly, I had covered my task, and I was thinking that I should give some interview, and I did. I gave my first interview with the UPSC prep, and it was really good, sir. Like the kind of reviews that I got, and
Hmm.
uh, even every member was very cordial, and they give me very detailed reviews that this is what you have to do, this is what you don't have to do,
Hmm.
and I really tried incorporating it. In fact, sir, I remember there was a ma'am in the
Neela
interview.
ma'am, yeah.
Yes, and we had a discussion, and she gave me the feedback that I was looking a little aggressive while saying things. And sir, I really had to work upon that, because I do realize sometimes I give strong opinions, and it's not that I'm being aggressive about things, but it just
It,
becomes or sounds a
it
little
can it can
aggressive.
seem a little pushy.
हाँ जी सर, हाँ जी. So I worked upon that, and sir, I think even though sir उस time सुनने में लगता है कि oh my god, we got such a review, but sir, I think that's how you grow, that's how you learn about yourself, and that's how you improve, sir. So that was a very good remark that I had got, and something that I diligently worked upon later on, sir.
So really glad that helped you. So coming to mains, या मेन से पहले आई थिंक एक थोड़ा ब्रीफ अबाउट योर यूपीएससी जर्नी. हाउ मेनी अटेम्प्ट्स हैव यू गिवन एंड क्या चीजें मतलब आपने सीखी अलोंग द वे?
So this was my third attempt, and उससे पहले मेरा pre clear नहीं हुआ था. So for me, pre was one of the biggest hurdles. So for the first attempt, I had not prepared much. Sir, वो COVID वाला ही time चल रहा था, and I thought कि because I'm from arts background, and I think I'll be able to do decent. But sir, I went there, and I got a reality check कि नहीं, बहुत पढ़ना है, and you know, your background or anything, it won't help you. You will have to work hard. You will have to study. And sir, in the second attempt, I had studied, I had worked hard. But sir, there was something I lacked, and that was my mentality, sir. I did not have the right mentality to attempt the paper. And उस time pattern change हुआ था. I could not keep calm. I could not attempt the paper the way it should be attempted. And sir, उस attempt में मेरा in GS, I think I had missed by points. But in CSAT, sir, I was very, you know, in a very bad position, sir. I think I'd got 55 marks in CSAT. So I realized that I need to first work upon CSAT, and sir, secondly, on my mentality. Sir, because UPSC as an exam, sir, it might seem very small thing right now, but I think it really tests your resilience and your mental state. It tests that, and if you are going, so like there is this poem, I live by it, and it's something like कि जब आप अपनी जर्नी में डेस्टिनेशन को पालोगे, उस दिन you will have achieved whatever you want to achieve. And I think this is exactly
What
what
is the
UPSC.
poem, if you'd like to share?
So मुझे पूरा टाइटल याद नहीं है सर. Like
Okay.
it's something about कोई पहाड़ी पे चढ़ रहा. Sir, I don't remember the exact line.
No worries.
But the sense is same, that when you find the destination in your journey, then that's when you realize that you have succeeded, no matter the results. So
Right.
in the third attempt, I worked upon CSAT, and my mental resilience, my like
So what did you do for CSAT? मतलब एक अगर ब्रेकडाउन आप दो, बिकॉज CSAT में भी बहुत आई थिंक इश्यूज रहते हैं लोगों को कि भाई किस तरीके से चीजें रिजॉल्व करी जाए.
yes sir, definitely sir. सर उसके लिए सर एक नीलेश सर हैं, आई थिंक ही इज फॉर्मर IRS. उन्होंने एक फ्री कोर्स डाला हुआ है अपने YouTube पे फॉर CSAT. आई
Okay.
डिड दैट सर, एंड दैट वाज अ वेरी गुड कोर्स. उससे मेरे बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स वगैरह सब कुछ क्लियर हो गए. एंड सर, सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग अबाउट CSAT इज दैट यू नीड टू रियलाइज योर स्ट्रेंथ. तो लाइक हर एक इंसान का अपना स्ट्रेंथ है. फॉर सम पीपल इट्स कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, फॉर सम पीपल इट्स रीजनिंग, फॉर सम पीपल इट्स क्वांट. फॉर मी इट्स कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. सो आई रियलाइज कि मैं कॉम्प्रिहेंशन के सारे क्वेश्चंस करूंगी, but I also need to do a few questions from other parts, like including reasoning and quant. So then I divided the time accordingly. सर मेरा ये टाइम रहता था कि मैं 1 घंटे के अंदर अंदर सारी कॉम्प्रिहेंशन कंप्लीट कर लूँ, एंड जो बाकी टाइम बचा है उसमें मैं सबसे पहले, सर इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट स्टूडेंट्स डू इट, दे नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई क्वेश्चंस सर. लाइक दिस वाज वन मिस्टेक व्हिच आई हैड मेड इन माय प्रीवियस अटेम्प्ट्स, कि मैं पहले क्वेश्चन करती थी, फिर जो हो रहा था होता था, नहीं होता था नहीं होता था, एंड you don't have a lot of time to do that, because sometimes there are very easy questions in the end or in the middle वो आप मिस कर जाओगे. So, once you have completed the comprehension, what I would do is I would sit down, I would identify a few questions. Ki, yeah, this is the kind of question I can do, this is the kind of question I can't. And I would only then try and solve the questions that I can. And I used to focus upon accuracy, particularly in quant and reasoning. So, because itne sare questions, sir, honestly, मुझे आते नहीं. I'm not very strong in maths, sir. So, थोड़े थोड़े मैं आइडेंटिफाई कर लेती थी और मैं उन्हीं को करने की कोशिश करती थी, एंड आई ट्राई टू मेक श्योर दैट आई डोंट मेक सिली मिस्टेक्स. तो चाहे उसमें थोड़ा टाइम लग जाए, आपको सारे क्वेश्चंस तो अटेम्प्ट नहीं करने, बट उतने कर लीजिए दैट यू आर एबल टू सेल थ्रू. सो दैट्स ग्रेट.
So Ayushi, as you said, you'll be giving another prelims attempt. So in this next attempt, what are the things that you'll be changing or improving on in your journey कि भाई मतलब ये चीजें मुझे लगी कि इन पे मुझे improve करना है, and now this is how I'll be working on them?
Sir, because I have very less time, because even my interview was in April only, so I didn't have much time to prepare. So cumulatively, I have 1 month left for the interview. So for the sorry. And so I'm thinking, sir, I will do the most important things only. That is, I will focus on static. And agar mere paas time hoga, then I will do current. Like, because I have already done current for the interview. So, but I will do current for a few subjects, for example, for environment and science and tech, because that is very important. But I won't run after current so much, which I did in my previous attempts. And so second thing which I won't be doing is, sir, I won't be taking test series, sir. Because I realize that कि बहुत सारी test series, sir, they're not to the point, and they are also asking about topics which UPSC rarely asks. True. So you can rather focus upon PYQs. So I think PYQs are the holy grail here. You will be able to identify themes from PYQs कि आपको कहाँ focus करना है, कहाँ नहीं, and you will also be able to identify the kind of questions UPSC and how they make the statement wrong, because you need a certain aptitude to solve those questions as well. It's of course knowledge matters, but sir, after a point, knowledge won't matter. So you will need that aptitude, which you will be able to develop only if you do PYQs. So sir, that is one thing which I will be focusing upon in this attempt, sir. Even for CSAT, sir.
तो मेंस के लिए कुछ आप जो अपग्रेड करोगे, चेंज करोगे in your attempt?
So मेंस के लिए I really need to do value addition in my material, is what I've realized. Sir, in my previous mains, the mains I've given, sir, I did not follow any test series. मैंने कोई भी टेस्ट नहीं लगाए थे. I was doing self evaluation. I would open toppers answer copies, and I would write the same questions that they have written, and then I would compare my answers to their answers. And then I would see ki what is something that they have written, what is the X factor that they have in their answer, and which I can incorporate. So sir, one thing which I really would like to recommend is that play on your strengths. Everybody has their own style of writing. Everybody has their own strengths, sir. And you cannot emulate anybody, but you can always adopt good things from them, which you can. So that is something which everybody should do. As for the changes which I would make, sir, I think I would really like to do value addition, and I would because I have realized, sir, कि मेरा basic material done है. I need those brownie points which makes my answer unique from other people. So this is something which I will be focusing upon in this.
Any particular toppers that you sort of refer to a lot, या जिनके आंसर्स आपको लगे कि अच्छा ये मतलब this is something that I would like to try and take the good points from?
Yes sir. Sir, there was Anudeep Durshetty sir. उनके आंसर्स मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे. श्रुति शर्मा मैम के आंसर्स भी बहुत अच्छे थे. And particularly for ethics, I refer to Vishakha Yadav ma'am's copy. And for GS2 also, sir, I don't remember his name, but he was a topper of GS2 last year. I refer to his copies. And so one approach which I really found very unique was Ayan Jain sir copy. Sir, if you see his copies, you realize that he makes a lot of points, sir. Like he would write 15, 20 points, and he's answering straight, like he's attacking the question straight. He's not just going beating around the bush. And so sir, that is something I tried to learn कि मैं भी उतने ज़्यादा points और dimensions generate करने की कोशिश करूँ जिससे सर ने की है. Sir, like I said, sir, if you see these copies, see these stoppers, you will realize so many things which you
Yeah.
can incorporate into your answers as well, sir.
So I think that's like pretty solid because all of these topics that you mentioned, Anudeep Duri Shetty is one which I personally and wholeheartedly also recommend क्योंकि he writes brilliantly. मतलब एकदम छोटा छोटा to the point वो चीजें लिख रहे हैं और सब चीज का एग्जाम्पल रहेगा आंसर में. And not just that, then Vishakha Yadav, as you mentioned, so she has been somebody who has brilliantly written ethics answers. Then Shruti Sharma, again one of those people जो इतना मतलब हर पॉइंट में एक या दो एग्जाम्पल उनके आ रहे हैं. And that is something, if you can follow the principles from that, I think you're good to go.
Yes, sir.
Right. So, Ayushi, before we go out, I would want you to give sort of one piece of advice for somebody who's just starting UPSC preparation. कि भाई अगर let's say this is the only topper talk that they ever see, somebody let's say from your village only, तो क्या एक piece of advice आप उन्हें दोगे कि भाई अगर UPSC की तैयारी करनी है तो ये कर लो, बाकी ठीक हो जाएगा.
Sir, I would tell them to believe in themselves. And I will tell them that this journey is not as smooth as it looks. We see all of these YouTube clips and a lot of proper talks. That is not even tip of the iceberg. You will have to work very hard. And there is a huge possibility that you will find failure along the way. But when these failure comes and when you see a lot of these toppers, copies or mocks or all of these things, you will think that maybe you're not even made for the exam. Shayad there is a different kind of people who are able to clear this exam. So sir, to all of those people, to all of these aspirants, sir, I would really, really just tell them, believe in yourself. And no matter what, keep persevering, be consistent, and शायद सक्सेस देर से आए पर आएगी जरूर. So sir, that's what I would tell them.
I think beautifully put. And one last question. So we are also asking all toppers to recommend one book that they feel कि भी aspirants को पढ़नी चाहिए apart from syllabus. So what is one book that you would recommend?
Sir, it could be fiction, non-fiction.
Anything, absolutely.
Okay. Sir, my personal favorite, sir, which really takes me to a different world, is Harry Potter. And so if aspirants have time for that, please read that.
Definitely. And do you read other fantasy fiction वगैरह चीजें?
Yes, sir, I do.
So
I read.
have you read Brandon Sanderson?
I haven't.
Absolutely wonderful. What I'll do is I'll send you a copy of one of his books and do let me know how you find that. And आप अपना address भेज दीजिएगा post this discussion. Because
Okay, sir.
we also feel कि मतलब अब इतनी सारे किताबें हम students को recommend करवा रहे हैं, तो कुछ maybe if we can also recommend for you to learn and grow and improve on, happy to help with that.
Definitely, sir.
But please don't start reading it, before your
Yes, sir.
it might
Sir,
not be a great idea.
Sir, I would like to say one more thing, sir, which really helped me. Sir, आपने एक वीडियो बनाया था. It was on ChatGPT and AI, and it's how you can use it in your preparation.
Yeah.
Sir, उससे पहले भी मैं ChatGPT, I had started using it in my preparation, sir, but that session which you took, sir, it gave me a lot of insights कि हाँ, आपको factual information ChatGPT से नहीं मांगनी है, आपको उनसे subjective और वो एक framework जो वहाँ से मिल रहा है वो आपने लेना है. एंड सिर्फ उसके बेसिस पे मैंने बहुत ज्यादा वैल्यू एडिशन की थी टू माय ऑप्शनल नोट्स. So sir, that is also something that really helped me, and I just wanted to tell you that, sir. So thank you for that.
Really glad that you found that helpful. And मतलब बाकी सब obviously as you say कि self belief and जो hard work है, all of these things are coming from you. मतलब we can only say कि देखो ऐसे कर सकते हो, but करने वाला जो बनता है, the success belongs to them. And this success belongs to you, and all future successes will do as well. All the best for your next attempt, Ayushi, and thank you for your time.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a great session.